Chapter 4. Embroidery Sewing. Preparation. First, it is necessary to change the foot. Turn off the power switch. Loosen the thumb screw and remove the foot holder. Attach the embroidery foot P on the presser bar from behind and tighten the thumb screw to secure the foot. Reduce the foot pressure to 2. Embroidery hoops. 2 different sizes of embroidery hoops and 2 templates for use with embroidery hoops are provided with your memory craft. Embroidery hoop A is the standard size 12.6 centimeters by 11 centimeters or 5 inches by 4.3 inches. Embroidery hoop B is a large size 20 centimeters by 14 centimeters or 7.9 inches by 5.5 inches. All embroidery projects require stabilizing your fabric gives optimum results to your projects and minimizes the chance of thread jamming. Attaching the embroidery hoop to the machine. Use hoop A. Be sure that the hoop is the right side up. The correct side of the inner hoop is embossed with R and L. Loosen the screw on the outer hoop. Lay the prepared fabric and place the inner hoop with a template on it. Insert them into the outer hoop. Tighten the screw on the outer hoop and stretch the fabric. Make sure the fabric is stretched and drum tight in the hoop. To attach the embroidery hoop to the machine, turn the attaching knob until it is parallel with the hoop. Then set it on the carriage by fitting the pins into the carriage holes. Turn the attaching knob clockwise. Always check that there is sufficient clearance for the embroidery carriage behind your machine before starting the machine. Chapter 5. Embroidery Sewing. Embroidery Mode. To select the embroidery mode, press the embroidery mode key. It is unnecessary to use the drop feed lever since the machine will automatically drop the feed dog when it switches over to the embroidery mode. There are 5 categories in the embroidery mode: built-in designs, monogramming, ATA PC card, and editing. Built-in designs. Your memory craft provides you with 95 ready-to-sew built-in designs. Press the built-in design key to open the pattern selection window. To view the next page, press the next page key. Press the pattern selection key to select the pattern you wish to sew. Let's select the pattern number 6. The stitch image and each colored section of the design will be displayed on the screen, along with the sewing time in minutes, number of thread colors required, the size of the design, foot and hoop size. On the lower part of the screen, there are 4 jog keys. Use the jog keys to precisely adjust the hoop position, matching the needle drop position with the center of the design. Pressing the tracing key causes the hoop to move and trace the outline of the selected design so that you can check the sewing position without stitching. Now you are ready to sew the embroidery pattern. Lower the presser foot and press the Start-Stop button. After sewing several stitches, stop the machine, trim the thread and press the Start-Stop button again. The machine will sew the first color section and stop automatically when it has finished. Change the thread to the next color and start the machine again. The stitch count and stitch back and forward keys are very useful when the thread runs out or breaks during sewing. You can move the hoop to where the thread has broken or run out. Every time you press the stitch back or stitch forward key, the hoop moves 10 stitches in that direction. Monogram sewing. In the monogram selection window, you can program words by pressing the alphabet keys directly. Select from 3 fonts and 2-letter and 3-letter monograms. Delete a character by moving the cursor under it and pressing the Delete key. The cursor can be moved to the left and right with the cursor keys. Add letters by moving the cursor key to the desired position and pressing the letter. Letter size key. Select from large, medium, and small letters. Use the horizontal-vertical function to choose a horizontal or vertical orientation. It will allow you to fit in more characters when using the B-hoop. Save your monogram by pressing the File Save key. Please see the Ordinary Sewing section for more details about saving files. Magnifier key. Pressing the magnifier key enlarges the letter number keys to make entry easier. OK key. After creating your monogram, press this key to confirm your selections. The MemoryCraft 9700 is compatible with ATA PC cards, which can be used to save original designs created in the editing mode and also to transfer design data between the MemoryCraft 9700 and your PC. The ATA PC card consists of an adapter and compact flash. To open the design files, insert the card into the slot of the MemoryCraft 9700. Press the PC card tab in the embroidery mode to display the designs contained in the card. Press the desired pattern. Card Reader 10,000. Optional item. If you have memory cards for the MemoryCraft 9000 or 5700, you can import the designs from a memory card via the Card Reader 10,000. The Card Reader 10,000 and the special RS-232C cable are available as optional accessories. Open the small cover located on the bottom right end of the machine. Insert the round connector into the RS-232C port on the machine, then insert the pin and jack into the Card Reader 10,000. An AC adapter is unnecessary as a special cable supplies power directly from the machine. Insert the gentleman memory card into the Card Reader 10,000 and press the Card Reader key while in the embroidery mode. The designs contained in the memory card will be displayed on the screen. Choose the design you wish to sew. Please note that monogram card numbers 101, 105, and 108 are not readable. The editing mode. The editing function allows you to modify and combine embroidery patterns from the built-in memory, ATA cards, PC design cards, or gentleman memory cards to create your own original designs. Press the Edit key to open the editing screen. The hoop selection window opens to allow you to select the hoop, standard A, round F, large B, or free arm C. The round embroidery hoop F and the free arm hoop C are optional accessories. Press the OK key and the editing screen showing the selected hoop will open. Press the built-in memory, monogramming, ATA card, PC design card, or card reader key to choose an embroidery design. Choose the pattern number 6 in the built-in memory. To move the embroidery pattern on the editing screen, press and drag the pattern to a desired location with your fingertip or move it on the screen with the layout keys. Do not drag the pattern on the screen with a sharp or pointed object. When the Cancel key is pressed, all of the changes made on the screen will be canceled. When the Size key is pressed, the size adjusting window will appear. The size of the embroidery from 90% to 120% in 10% intervals each time the plus or minus key is pressed. Press the OK key after resizing. You can flip the embroidery design vertically or horizontally to create mirror image designs by pressing the mirror image keys. The embroidery design can be rotated by 45 degrees clockwise each time the rotation key is pressed. When the Delete key is pressed, the selected pattern will be deleted. Press the magnifier key to enlarge the image of the selected pattern. Press the Return key to go back to the previous screen. You can save your original embroidery designs in the built-in memory or in an ATA PC card inserted in the machine's card slot. Saving and opening a file is exactly the same as in the ordinary sewing mode. Chapter 6. Embroidery Sewing, Creating an Original Design. Now, let's try to make an original design using the editing functions. Press the Edit key to select the editing mode. Select the B hoop. Press the built-in design key, then press the Next Page key and select pattern number 42. Drag it to the upper left corner. Press the built-in design key, then select pattern number 42 again. Press the horizontal flip key, then press the Rotate key twice to rotate the design 90 degrees. Next, drag the pattern to the lower right corner. Press the Monogram key and select the script font. Enter M in uppercase and EMORY in lowercase letters, then press OK. Press the Rotate key twice to rotate the word 90 degrees and adjust the position. Press the monogram key again and enter C in uppercase and RAFT in lowercase letters, then press OK. Press the rotate key twice to rotate the word 90 degrees. Adjust the position of the words. Press the Save File key if you wish to save the design for future use in the building memory or an ATA PC card. It will be saved as a single pattern file. If you wish to sew the design, press the OK key.